Hey guys, it has been 5.5 months and I'm finally starting to settle in. Finally. And it's thanks to 3 things. I don't know how many things, but a lot of things. So let's check it out. Let's do a quick house tour. So here we are. So this is the dining room and a lot has happened in here. Well, we started wallpapering and it was a disaster, so whatever. At least the walls aren't this really dark yellow color that they were. We put wall size on, so we'll see what's happening. It is Christmas-ish, so it's that time of year. And if you can hear from the other room, there's a little special someone that I'd like you to meet. Dining room table still here. Got the pocket doors happening. It is way too cold here, but this is my Roomba. And here's Christmas tree, Christmas time, da 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 da, yay! So the Roomba has kind of been a game changer for me. I was really freaked out about how much I had to mop and just these hardwood floors. They're painted, but yeah, that's not good, I know. But and this was a really dark hallway, so I put a lamp in here to help with darkness. So it's at least more navigable. Yeah, this is our big zone of stuff area. I'm aware this is not great, but we put a couple lights here to make it brighter, happier. And yeah, these are all books that need to go online. So redfeatherbooks.com, shout out. All need to go on the internet. Wow, so many books. But the Roomba really helps because it let me not obsessively mop and clean the floors every day. I've run the Roomba in here 3 times, but I do need to remop the floor eventually. The Roomba does not mop, and I ended up not getting the Brava wet jet because reviews said that you'd spend a lot of time changing the pad or it would just be streaky, and I already have that problem, so hey! What's up, guys? It is cold. Yeah, I've got a full-length parka on. But I've been making some video content. Not that this matters at all, but I've been making TikToks in here. Everything's just sort of starting to feel a little more homey, and I think the TikToks is being exciting for me in music and videos and dancing and all that jazz. I was reprimanded because I did not show the bathroom in the last video, so here we are. Nothing's really changed, but we do have both these mirrors in here now. That's kind of fun. La. Oops, I should turn the light off. All those things. And I moved this over. This was in my studio at the other house. So it's like looking like we might be moving. I know it's ridiculous that I just bought Barbie dolls, but I did. A welcome home orchid. Or housewarming orchid. I really want to have a housewarming party. Is that so bad of a thing to want? It is in 2020, I know. I know. Maybe if I'd had a housewarming party earlier, things would be different. There's my recycling. I have food in my pantry now. That's a little exciting. I don't know the last time we've explored in here. Da-da-da-da. Food and jars and stuff. And a vacuum cleaner. Oh, this was a funny story. Hi! So that came from Facebook Marketplace, and the person I messaged, I eventually figured out was my uncle. Surprise! I have a relative that's on the internet. Did not know that. And we got our book nook, and I have been moving all my ball gowns around. Also, I did a really cool music video in here where there's lots of dancing and enjoyment and happiness. So having it be more creative is fun. And I have my own closet. Yay! So just having lots of nice empty space ready for art projects is really helpful. And nice. Bedroom where we actually sleep. Look at this. Beautiful lamp. I really want to move this piece of furniture though. And we don't need to keep this on because no one's in here. But yeah, it is pretty cool. This is my birthday rug I'm really excited about. And there is my studio with little Christmas bears. And that was the original color. This is gold now in here, but it was wallpaper colored. I like to keep a little reminder of the original, but the wallpaper was pretty sad. So. Well, it looks like people have actually showered in here. Yeah, that would be. So some rooms, some stuff has happened, some rooms not so much. This one, we've just still never done anything in here. We have like no plans to do anything, but it's just like stuff kind of goes from one side of the room to the other. So I don't know, it's sort of a weird room. Definitely don't love the chandelier, but yep, laundry, it's a thing. There's more to do, always. And I haven't been taking baths in my favorite bathroom because it's very cold. Hello. I do love this cabinet though. I have a couple things in it now, but not many. Sorry, I just saw a cool filming moment. There it is. Oh, and then there's welcome to my favorite Christmas tree. I thought my favorite Christmas tree was the other one, but I've changed my mind. Look at this thing. Yeah, I'm super stoked about this part. All right, come on into my studio where I've started another project. I'm sanding the floor because this is a ridiculous paint job. Let's just paint everything besides the middle. Every time I try to take a picture, I stand over here and then there can't be feet in the photo. And I'm like, this is not good. So I was trying to film my music video in here and it was just like, what is wrong with the floor? Why did they paint it sort of half-assedly? Why? So I'm going to try, I think I'm going to try to paint it white. You might think I'm crazy and I may not do it, but we'll see. That's my idea, at least for now. I need to go sand some more, get my sand on. This is still this. But there are Roomba tracks everywhere, which I think is kind of fun. I finally took my first bath/shower in here. I know it's ridiculous, but there are too many places to take baths and showers, and this one did not get to be a priority, and I just did it. Yeah, that's sort of weird. But the, what is it called? The drain does not stop, so I have to go get a plug, which is like $2, but makes it hard to take a bath. The water won't stop flowing. We still have red feather books in this room, folks. And moving quite along. Ooh, pretty. Yep, no more real progress up here in terms of getting paint projects done, but it looks the same. I did clean it, Roomba it. I love the Roomba. I'm a fan. All right, you ready for the magic to happen? Ah! Okay, here's my face. Okay. So this is my studio. No, this is my office. I've never had a separate office and a separate studio, so that's different. I've started using the walls as reminder boards and like things to do and lists and affirmations and positive words. And what made the difference in my life, I know you'll think I'm ridiculous, but I've read too many self-help books to know this actually just worked. I made this sign that said I love my house, when the truth was more like I hate my house and I want to move out and sell it immediately. And within 2 days of that sign, life started getting amazing in here. So I do have some health problems, so I put some health signs up next. So I'm manifesting health. Wish me luck. I am healthy. I'm moving on in my journey of owning a house and trying to, I don't know, be a homeowner. It's crazy. Yeah, but I've made a lot of creative stuff on the computer, so having a nice empty office has been really amazing. And here's my pretty walls that I still need to do something with down there. Yeah, I might be the crazy person, but I love having an incredibly empty office with like, oh, there's my desk, and this is where I work. So yeah, yay to happiness, yay to improvements, and yay to better attitudes. So thanks for watching. Until next month or so. Bye!